Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Mandy, and for today's video I've got a whole house realistic and relaxing clean with me. I've got a bunch of messes throughout the house that I need to tackle, so if you needed some motivation, go ahead and let this play in the background. We can get some cleaning done together. I also just kind of wanted to chit chat with you guys and let you know what's been going on this week. I've been pretty busy, and I'm sure you guys could tell that I did not upload a video on Wednesday, so we're going to tackle all of this stuff together. And like I said, I just wanted to kind of get with you guys and let you know what has been going on behind the scenes. I've got some pretty exciting updates for you as far as the job hunting has been going, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and get started here in the bedroom. I'm going to get all of the glasses and cups and everything out of here that I need to. I'm going to get this bed made. I'm going to wipe down all of my furniture and also get the floor vacuumed as well.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you.
So I hope that you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. We certainly did. We actually stayed in this year. We had gone out a few times over the weekend, and we just decided to go ahead and stay at home and not have to worry with traffic and crowds and things like that. But I think I did post a few things on my Instagram, on my stories over there. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go and check me out and follow me. I share a lot of personal things over there, and it's also easier for me to talk to you guys as well. But because we are all friends here, and I've had so many people messaging me and asking me to give updates on the job hunting, I have been doing so many interviews over the last week, whether it be in person or on the phone. And it actually was, it wasn't scary, but I've not had to interview for a job for quite a while now, so it was really new to me and a little intimidating in most places, but everything was really chill, and I got along with everybody that I interviewed with, and I was super excited about quite a few positions. And I was actually interviewing for a position yesterday, and at the end of the interview they're like, okay, can you start tomorrow at 7? And I was just like taken aback. Honestly, I thought they were kidding, and they were like, yeah, no, we're not kidding, we need you here. You're everything that we've been looking for, and we honestly think that you can help turn things around. So that definitely made me feel really, really good. But I had also interviewed earlier in the morning yesterday for a position that I really, really want. And so I just kind of told them, I was like, let me get back to you. Because we all go to work for a reason, right? And that's to make money. So the other position, they were offering quite a bit more money and bonuses, and the benefits were amazing. And I really got along really well with the two girls that I interviewed with, and the job was, right up my alley, and it was just so super exciting. So she did tell me that if I was offered something somewhere else before she got back to me, to let her know so they could, kind of figure something out. And she did email me and say that the interview went really well, but she did want to uphold her end of the deal because they did have some other interviews scheduled, and she wanted to go ahead and go through those, which I completely understand, because she might have somebody else come in to interview that is much more qualified for the position than I am, and I would completely understand that. So as of right now, I'm kind of waiting in the wings for a decision on that one. And if that one doesn't come through, then I definitely will take the other position. The hours for that one was great and the people were wonderful. And they did say that there was, room for me to grow there and things like that. So I'm definitely blessed that I have that option there and everything has been going super well. So I will definitely keep you guys posted on how that all falls into place. But another thing that I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about and kind of get your feedback on is the unemployment. So I have never in my life filed unemployment. So I've been in HR for so long, I know how it works and I know how to sign other people up and I know how to do all the information and forms and all of that good stuff. But being on the other end of it, I was kind of just so completely confused, but I went ahead and filed because, I've paid taxes my entire life and that's what it's there for. So I figured why not go ahead and let them help me while I'm searching for something else. So I went ahead and applied and I got all of my paperwork back that I was approved, and I've done like the weekly kind of like call-ins where you have to you don't have to reapply every week, but you have to, file weekly. I don't know how else to explain it. You have to file every week and then you have to like give them information that you've been looking for a job and things like that. So that was a few weeks ago and I've not got one single penny from them yet. And a lot of people have said that, yeah, it can be like that. You might be, a few weeks until you get started and then you might get paid every week like you're supposed to, and then it might just stop for some reason and you have to call them. I'm like, oh my gosh, that is such a headache that I hope that I don't have to deal with. Like if I'm able to start a job before that even kicks in and I can just unenroll from that situation, I probably will, because that has just given me the most anxiety over probably the last 5 days at least, because I'm like, did I do something wrong? Did I not fill something out right? But if you guys have ever had to file unemployment, let me know how it worked for you because I'm intrigued. Hopefully I've not done anything wrong. Like I said, I did get the letters. Everything says that I'm good to go, but we'll see. We'll see how it all pans out. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and get on into this kitchen and get all of this mess cleaned up. It honestly was not that bad in here, but I definitely needed to get some things tidied up. I needed to unload and reload my dishwasher, get everything wiped down. I had some things on the kitchen table that needed to be put away and things like that. I actually did not mop the kitchen today because it had rained and I knew Buddy was going to be going in and out. So I decided not to do that until tomorrow because we're going to start to get all of our warm, sunny weather back tomorrow. And I kind of liked the little break in the heat. I think it was like 78 degrees on this day. So it was really nice and I enjoyed that. But we're just going to go ahead, like I said, and get the rest of this kitchen cleaned up. If you guys are enjoying this relaxing, realistic video, make sure you leave this one a thumbs up. And also make sure that if you are not subscribed already to my channel and this is your first time here, make sure to go ahead and hit that red button before you leave. I would love for you guys to stick around, hang out with me, and become part of my family here. I just enjoy meeting you guys. And if you are new, go ahead and let me know in the comments. That way I can come and say hello to you personally.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body Walking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
Just in case anyone was wondering, I was using my barkeeper's friend on the stovetop and in my sink. I love that stuff, and I honestly forgot that I had an entire basket of cleaning products in my closet. And as I was going through some of that stuff over the weekend, I found all that and I was like, oh my gosh, I thought I had ran out. So I'm glad that I found that and came across it. And then I was also using my Method anti-bac. I'm almost out of that, so I'm probably going to go and see if I can get another flavor for summer. I'm not quite sure what's out right now. I have not purchased any cleaning products in a while because if you guys remember, I had also just bought that Infuse and I'm still really loving that, especially for the bathrooms. So right here on the dining table, I'm just going to use my Pledge and get that all wiped down. But I also wanted to address something. Somebody had asked me, I think a couple videos ago, and I cannot find the comment. Either it was on the video or on an Instagram, and they asked me what the clock thing was that was on that little riser on my kitchen counter. And that's actually an Amazon Echo Show, I think is what it's called. I absolutely love that thing. And not only does it tell you like the weather, the time, it's basically a Siri with a screen. So here's a little shot of it right here. And I also wanted to show you guys, I got some clippings from some friends' pothos plants, and I've decided to try to propagate them, and they're doing really well. I'm super excited on how well they're doing. And that's also that little air plant that's in my bathroom. I just decided to let it soak up some water in the windowsill on this day. That is literally the neatest little plant that I've ever had. All you really do is, just set it out in something, and I have that underneath that little cloche in my bathroom. But maybe like once a week or once every other week, you can just sit it in some water like that and let it soak it all up, and then it's good to go. Like, you don't really have to do much, which is perfect for me. So I think I'm going to try to find some more like that because I would love to have some all throughout the house. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this room off with a vacuum. Like I said earlier, I'm not going to mop because with it still being a little muddy outside, it's just not going to be worth it. So once I'm through with here, I'm actually going to take you guys into my little office, and it's really not that bad in here, but I do need to pick up some things. I've still got those bags of clothes that I decluttered not too long ago, and I have not gotten those dropped off to the shelter yet, but I'm definitely going to be doing that this weekend. So I'm just going to make sure that those are all nice and bagged up, and then I'm going to put some clothes away that I've got laying here on my couch. I had some things taken out from when I was changing back and forth doing all of my interviews over the week, and I was just in a hurry, and I need to get some shoes put away and straighten up my desk, and of course I will vacuum as well.
Tell me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go.
So I'm all done here for today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it gave you some motivation. Again, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you hit that button before you leave. I appreciate you spending some time with me today and allowing me to give you all of the information that's been going on in my life. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give it a like. I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Got the cable short and the